Alright, we're back with another video. For this one, we're going to be doing a mid fade with the 4 on top. And then with the beard, we're going to be knocking it down to a half. And today, we're not going to be fading in the beard. We're just going to make it into ice picks. So let's just get right into the video. For the first step, you're going to set in your ball guideline with your trimmer. Make sure to make it as consistent as possible and make sure it's even all across the head. Now right here, I'm just making it as bald as possible with the same trimmer I set in that line with. Now with no guard with the lever open, you're going to go up about 1 inch. Now right above that, you're going to use your 1 guard close and go up about 1 inch. Now with the same guard on, you're just going to open up the lever and go up about 1/2 inch. Make sure you're not going up 1 inch on this one. Now with the 2 guard close, make sure you go up about 1 inch. Make sure you're flicking straight up. Don't dig in right into the top of the head. Now between the no guard open and the 1 close, you're going to take out that middle line with the 1/2 guard closed. Make sure you're flicking it out to make it as easy as possible to take that line out. And with your 1.5 open and closed, you're going to use the point cutting technique. This technique that helps you take out any dark spots or any lines that you have left over that you made with any other clipper. Now to remove the very last bottom line, you're going to use the clipper closed. Just flick out that line. And you just saw right there that I opened up the lever. Every time you go up higher on the fade, you always want to open up your lever because you don't want to cut more. And right here, you guys can kind of see there's still long hairs and it's still kind of dark. So what I'm going to do is with the 2 guard open, I'm just going to flick straight out and just remove the darkness or the weight. Now right here, I'm just doing some cleanup work. Any spots that I missed, I'm just going to be taking them out towards the end of the fade. Now I'm just going to speed it up and just show you guys how I faded up the other side of the head. And with the 4 guard closed, we're going to give him the desired length and making sure we don't leave any long hairs. Now right here for the lineup, I'm going to make it as crispy and as natural as possible. As you can see right where I'm making that line, it looked like he had a bald spot on his lineup, but it's just his natural part. So instead of it looking like a bald spot, we just put in that line. Now for the beard, like I said earlier, we're going to knock it down with a 1/2 guard and just make it into a sharp tip at the top. this is how I had my uncle looking for about a week. And this is the final cut. Let me know what you guys think. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, leave a comment, subscribe if you're new. Thanks for watching. Peace.